Alright guys, thank you for tuning in on this video. So on this video guys, I'm going to be talking specifically about the new guidelines that were brought out by Telegram. So the guidelines are very vast, but on this video guys, I'm going to be talking specifically about the ones that concerns us as airdrop hunters. Alright, so right now if you're watching the video, make sure you watch it till the end, and if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It means the whole world to us. Alright, so right now guys, I'm going to be giving you guys the 5 core rules that were brought out by Telegram, and these rules were actually meant for the benefit of the Telegram users. Starting from now, I'm going to be mentioning the rules, start from number 1 to the last one. Okay, so right now guys, the first rule actually states like this. Okay, so the first law right now says all airdrop that have not been listed for months must be listed by the end of February. This means that any Telegram airdrop that have stayed for too long and have not listed yet must list before the end of this February. If you check very well, a lot of airdrop are now talking about their listing. For example, Wave Wallet is now talking about their listing on this February. Also, TapSwap is saying the same thing. Okay, so right now guys, this is what the first rule say, and the second rule actually goes like this: the process of listing any project should not take more than 6 months, as delay may lead to users being dissatisfied with Telegram. This simply means that any project that is now running on Telegram and has not listed yet, the process of running the whole project and their listing should not take more than 6 months. This is because if it takes more than that, users of Telegram are going to get dissatisfied, and once they are dissatisfied, they are going to be leaving Telegram. If you check very well, a lot of people are now leaving Telegram in millions, and this is because the listing of token is taking too long, and this has actually made a lot of people to leave Telegram. So Telegram has finally decided to actually address this issue by saying that any project should not take more than 6 months before they list their token. Okay, and remember the first one says that any project that has been around for long should not pass this February without listing their token on any exchange at all. So that's the simple difference between the first rule and the second rule. So right now we are going to be going to the third rule right now. So the third rule goes like this: trusted airdrop will be announced on Pavel Durov's personal channel. Also, Pavel Durov will personally invest in trusted bots, making it easier for to identify credible airdrop. This third rule is actually like one of the very important ones, because it says that all trusted airdrop is going to be announced by the owner of Telegram, that is the CEO of Telegram, by the name Pavel Durov. So any airdrop that actually come out new and has not been announced on the Pavel Durov's channel is not going to be trusted, because if it is then announced on the Pavel Durov's channel, that is when it is going to be assumed to be or seen as a very legit airdrop. So they must be announced on the Pavel Durov's channel before they are now verified by Telegram. That is what it's actually saying here. And it also goes to say that the CEO of Telegram, which is whom is Pavel Durov, is also going to be investing on their bots, making it very easier to be recognized as a credible airdrop. So that is simply what the third rule is saying right here. So right now we are going to be going to the fourth rule, and the fourth rule goes like this: bots running on non-tone network should stop working on Telegram by February. Okay, now this simply says that any bot or any project, let me make it specifically, any bot, not project, any bot that is running on Telegram and the bot is not running on Tone network, the bot should stop. This is simply the layman explanation of it. And what is actually trying to entail is that if you are not listing on Tone blockchain, or if you are not running your bot on Tone blockchain, then you should stop working by the end of February. For example, Pulse airdrop is now migrating to Phantom wallet or to Solana blockchain. This is because they are not planning to run, or they are not running on Tone blockchain. That is the reason why they are now migrating fully into Solana blockchain, because after February they are going to stop working on Telegram. Okay, so that's the simple explanation of this fourth rule. So right now the last and the final rule, which is the rule number 5, says that all new airdrop must be listed on Ton network or they will be labeled as scam. So what does this mean? Any new project or any new airdrop project that is listed on Telegram must be also listed or must also operate on the Ton network, as they are going to be labeled as scam. Have you seen anywhere where Telegram actually labels something as scam? You will come on the especially channel, they will label it scam. That's what's going to be happening to any bot or any airdrop that is not running on Ton blockchain. So these are the 5 core rules that were brought out by Telegram to guide all the Telegram projects that are now running on Telegram. Okay, so this is actually, if you check it properly, you will see that this is totally for the benefit of the users of Telegram, because if you check very well, especially Tom Market, you remember Tom Market, right? Tom Market airdrop is the worst airdrop that I have ever participated on, and the reason is because we actually made some investment into the Tom Market bot, and the reason why we made the investment is so that we can actually get a reasonable return or a reasonable interest on the investment that we made. But Ton bot or Ton airdrop on Telegram actually ended up scamming all of us, and this is because users who actually impute something on their bot in order for them to get a good return didn't even get back what they actually invested. Okay, so because of that reason and because of so many other reasons out there, Telegram CEO or Telegram team or Telegram itself has decided to actually address this case by making everything focused and also helping the users to be able to identify a scam project. Know that some projects actually has a tick mark after their name. So before that tick mark will be added, that project is going to first of all be announced on Pavel Durov's channel first, so that users will identify the project as a very good project and be able to enter with the project with trust. Also, if you check very well, TapSwap, Dotcoin, Wave Wallet, and so many other projects like Capybara and so many other ones out there that have stayed for more than 6 months right now, if they do not list on this February, they are going to be labeled as scam, and as a result of that, users are no longer going to be interacting with them with trust, and this is going to lead to the crashing and the total disappearance of the project. So this is simply the rules of Telegram, and these are how they are affecting the project owners and also the users. Let me know what you think about this new rule on the comment section, and do not forget that our Ton giveaway is still on. Simply make sure that you have subscribed, like, and share this video to actually be in a position of getting Ton from the channel. Thank you for watching the video, and I will talk to you guys on the next video that's going to be dropping very soon. Have a great day, and of course, do have a lovely day as well.